Hello and welcome to the Toledo Museum of Art online Great Performances series. My name is Colin Stegman and I am the programs coordinator here at the TMA. The Great Performances series at the museum features performers from all around the region, the country, and the world. Great Performances is supported by the Dorothy MacKenzie Prize Fund, the Victoria Majure Souder Program Fund, Hartmann Bogan Financial Planning, Joseph and Judith Conda, Shaun Coughlan, Carlos A. de Carvalho, Geraldine Mowery, Nancy K. Phlegar, and an anonymous donor. Wherever you're watching this video from, please join us in giving a virtual round of applause. I would also like to take a moment to thank our generous donors and TMA members for helping keep public programs such as this one free of charge. This includes everyone that joins us as a member, shops in our museum store, dines in our cafe, or donates to the museum. We are truly grateful to have your support. We will have more great performances online in the coming months, and you can find more information by visiting toledomuseum.org. The Toledo Museum of Art is continuing the celebration of Ludwig van Beethoven's 250th birthday in 2020, organized by Dr. Robert Satterlee, professor of piano at Bowling Green State University, and online performances from pianists from throughout the region. This week features 10-year-old pianist Kaya Hong performing Beethoven's Piano Sonata No. 20 in G Major, Opus 49 No. 2, in the Great Gallery of the Toledo Museum of Art. Without further ado, please give a big online Toledo welcome to Kaya Hong.